The K5 Full Control Home is part of the most advanced range of pressure washers from the world's #1 manufacturer, Karcher. Simple to put together, the K5 pressure washer is ready to use in minutes. And with storage on the front of the machine, everything you need to clean any surface is always available. The telescopic handle and guidance system allows you to move easily around any surface being cleaned, whilst the Quick Connect hose and lance fitting, plus plug and clean detergent system, makes it simple and quick. The new Full Control system gives you the confidence to clean any surface around your home. Select the correct spray lance using the symbols on the accessory as a guide. When using the Vario spray lance, simply twist the nozzle to move up through the different pressure settings. The correct symbol for the surface being cleaned will be indicated on the digital display. It's perfect for cleaning any surface, from paving and decking, brick and stone walls, wood, plastic, and of course, cars. This K5 Full Control also comes with a home package that includes a 1 litre stone detergent and a T350 patio cleaner. Perfect for cleaning larger areas up to 5 times faster than a standard spray lance. Once you've finished, the machine is quick to pack away and the compact design makes it easy to store. The K5 Full Control Home comes with a 3-year warranty.
From concrete to paint prep, the Simpson 3700 PSI PowerShot pressure washer delivers professional performance for a wide range of cleaning tasks. It's powered by a Honda GX200 commercial engine with our best engine coverage, guaranteed. The industrial triplex pump features an adjustable unloader and exclusive power boost technology for higher pressure at the nozzle. The 50-foot high-pressure Moreflex hose is kink-resistant and extra flexible for easier management, and the non-marring outer jacket protects your surfaces from scuffs and marks. The 5 Pro-style Quick Connect nozzles swap easily to match your cleaning application, and all included accessories store right on the dashboard. It's all housed on a professional steel frame with 10-inch premium tires for easy transport across tough terrain.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 Quick Connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 2600 PSI pressure washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 196cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.2 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 3 interchangeable Quick Connect nozzles, 0 and 25 degrees, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. and the Dolly-Style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure you wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 2600 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.
The Generac Speed Wash system makes pressure washing fast and easy. The Generac Speed Wash starts with serious cleaning power, and it puts pressure control right at your fingertips with the innovative Power Dial gun. Forget about constantly stopping to switch nozzles every time you need to change the pressure. With the Power Dial gun, you simply match the dial to the cleaning task. Dial it up to blast away tough stains on concrete. Dial it down for a gentler wash on cars, patio furniture, or windows. And the heavy-duty flex hose never tangles or kinks, ensuring constant pressure and flow. Plus, Generac's cutting-edge cleaning attachments put the Speed Wash system in a class by itself. The optional Power Broom makes cleaning decks and driveways fast, up to 4 times faster, without streaking or causing damage. And just look how easy it is to use. The Turbo nozzle uses a high-pressure rotating jet to scrub away grime and increase cleaning speed by up to 30%. And the Soap Blaster sprays detergent 3 times farther than ordinary washers, saving you time and steps. Order now and you'll get the Turbo nozzle and the Soap Blaster for free. Plus, free shipping is now in effect.
The Simpson MS60805-S is perfect for the do-it-yourselfer looking for that maximum cleaning experience. This 3,000 PSI unit comes complete with a Honda GCV 160 engine and OEM Technologies pump that allows for optimal efficiency. Ergonomic gun, easy connect wand, and 4 spray tips for a variety of spray patterns. A convenient 1-gallon onboard detergent tank for chemical cleaning. Achieve more for less with a 50-foot MoreFlex hose for added length, extra flexibility, and abrasion resistance. Additionally, we've included a 15-inch steel surface scrubber for large cleaning coverage on flat surfaces such as driveways, sidewalks, garage floors, and more. Setup is easy with the Simpson MegaShot series. Before starting your Honda engine, add the oil that's included. Be sure to check your oil level prior to each startup of the machine. In a ventilated outdoor area, add fresh unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Hold the gun and twist on the wand. Once secured, pull back on the Quick Connect coupler to insert your choice of nozzle. Release the Quick Connect coupler and twist nozzle to make sure it's secure in coupler. Twist on your MoreFlex high-pressure hose to the gun and attach the other end to the pump outlet. Then twist on your low-pressure hose to the pump inlet and turn on your water supply. Release air from pump and high-pressure hose by depressing the trigger until a steady stream of water is present. Check to see that the engine switch is turned to the on position. Pull choke pin to its closed position, then pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance, and then pull hard to start the engine. Push choke pin to open position once engine has started. Occasionally, pressure will build up in the hose during the startup procedure and act like the engine is locked up. If this occurs, simply pull the trigger on the trigger gun to release the pressure and release the trigger once pressure is dissipated. Then continue pulling the starter cord until the unit starts. Clean off dirt and debris from multiple exterior surfaces with an array of spray patterns. Use the 0-degree nozzle for those extra tough spots and soap nozzle for chemical cleaning. Clean large flat surfaces such as driveways and sidewalks with our 15-inch steel surface scrubber, self-contained with 2 powerful oscillating jets for that extra clean. So easy and no spray back. What a perfect way to clean multiple exterior surfaces.